Hey guys, it's Devin with Jacuzzi Engineering, back with another video, this time about how to install the MZ20000 direct drain kit. Let's go ahead and open our box and we'll identify the components that come with your kit. First we have the 5-inch drill template that we'll use for cutting the hole in our floor. Our direct drain flange that will be installed connected to the P-trap under the floor. As well as our brass components and adapter pieces that will be used to attach to the overflow drain of your bathtub. So the floor you see has been prepared using our Tina Freestanding tub template. The template shows the location of the hole that you need to drill, but the cutout template shows the exact diameter of the hole that needs to be drilled in order to install our flange. So once your hole is cut into your floor, you can go ahead and place your direct drain flange into location, connecting it to the P-trap already installed on the floor. Next, we'll attach the flange to our deck using appropriate wood screws. At this time, we'll make note that we are using a center drain installation. If you are doing a side drain installation, you'll notice that the flange has a flat edge on one side. This will allow proper spacing for a side drain installation. What you'll notice about the direct drain kit is this red center tab. This keeps any debris from the installation process from falling into the sealing surfaces of the kit or the P-trap below. The final step in the installation process is to take channel locks or pliers and to pry off the red center tab. Your direct drain flange is now ready to accept the brass tail piece of your quick drain kit, which should already be attached to your freestanding bathtub. We've mocked it up here with a drain fitting and the brass tail piece to show you how it will slide into the floor when you install your tub.